What is inclusion program? Inclusion program promote the idea that all students, regardless of their abilities, should have the opportunity to learn and participate in the same classroom settings. This approach emphasizes the importance of diversity, acceptance, and equal access to education for all students. So ano nga ba ang inclusion program? So ang inclusion program, sila nagpro-provide ng educational service for all student, especially yung mga student with disabilities. So here are the 5 principles of inclusion program. Respect for all, equity and fairness, diversity, community, and continuous learning. Respect for all. Everyone should be treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their differences. So, from the word respect for all, paano ba natin maipapakita ang respeto natin sa bawat isa? The first one is treating others with kindness and empathy. Showing understanding and compassion towards others' feelings and experiences is a fundamental aspect of respect. Second is valuing diversity. Respect all individuals means recognizing and appreciating the difference that exists among people, whether it be their cultural background, beliefs, or perspective. Embracing diversity and promoting inclusivity helps create an environment where everyone feels value and respect. Equity and fairness. All individuals should have equal access to opportunities and resources, and decisions should be made based on merit. So, dapat fair yung treatment natin sa bawat isa, no? Based sa picture na nilagay ko, makikita natin kung ano yung different ng equity and fairness. Diversity, recognizing and valuing the diverse background, experience, and perspective of all the organization. Participation. Everyone should have the opportunity to participate fully in all aspects of the organization. Like for example, sa church, pwede ka mag-volunteer para maging catechist. Mga ganon. Sa example, sa bloodletting, pwede ka rin mag-volunteer. Ganon. Yan yung mga example sa participation. Community, creating a sense of community where everyone feels they are belong and value. Paano ba natin maipapakita sa ating community na where everyone feels they are belong and value? Di ba sa pamagitan ng pagtulong sa kapwa natin,